Chair, we are well guided.
No feelings on this one.
Yes, I agree with you, but you know, I'm a minister of the gospel. So, but I know on the PFM Act there is no feelings. We are guided well by the chair and the auditor general that we are going to follow the law as it is. Thank you, Chair.
Chair, we want to hear what the law says
I want that the
from legal.
COB say something, Amida, and then you can read the law.
Yeah, thank you, Chair. I just wanted to inquire, maybe are they running this fund themselves as a county or through a financial institutions? Because with experience, counties that have given this money to financial institutions to run out this fund, they experience, there are actually no defaults. But if a county is doing it on its own, you find that that is when they fall into this issue of high default rate. Maybe if the county has not engaged a financial institution to run this fund, they need to consider the same, because the banks will not play around when they have given you money. So that is what I wanted to bring out.
Good, Amida? Amida?
Thank you, Chair. Chair, I'm just wondering, taking loans without payment, isn't that abuse of office, Bwana Governor? And give us any reason why we should not invoke the EACC in this matter for the intervention. But also at the same time, I think also the committee should monitor the repayment method. You need to pursue then, of course, the recovery of the outstanding loans. Then we need to monitor, and maybe we can give you about 30 days for them to let us know how they're doing, they're making their recovery.
Thank you. Senator Kabindo.
I just wanted legal to read.
So, legal, can you please read on default, those who have defaulted, so that at least the governor, even you can do your, if you have a circle in the church, if they default, no problem. But this is now public money. Please.
Through you, Chair, and under the PFM, that is section 116 on the power to establish other county public funds, it's the duty of the CCM for finance to establish the fund, and with approval of this county executive committee and the county assembly. And now it's upon the county now when they're establishing the fund to indicate how the loans will be repaid and the terms of that fund, how they will be dispersed and all that. So ideally it's the county that should be providing the information on what, if you default, what should be done. And I think they've invoked the opinion and the circular by the SRC, and I think the committee can rely on that, and also maybe as the direction you're given or the county looking inwardly to kind of give loans that suit repayment period that it will not be defaulted.
Governor, any comment before we move to the next one?
Chair, thank you. We are well guided. Chair, Senator Aminda has raised the issue that it's an act of abuse of office by defaulting to repay the loan. Yes, on the part of the defaulter, it is. And on the part of, if we've contracted any financial institution to disperse these monies to the officers in Meru, no, we have our own committee within Meru County from executive and part of the public service board. That is how we've constituted the fund. committee. We are going to take action, Chair, on the defaulters, and some of them are in dire need. And if I say this, you understand. And including the very senior officers that were in the government, previous government. So we are doing all what it takes to follow the law as you've guided, and surely we are going to do that. Thank you, Chair.
Good. We want you to make comment on the next one, overspending on administration expenses. So it is, maybe just give a comment on that but you know, it is good. I don't know if as a governor, you know, your former colleagues, Kawira, Kiraitu, and Vita Munya are capable. So maybe they should be aware of shaming people locally there so that they can come and pay. I don't know what can be done. Yeah, so make comment on the other one, overspending.
Which one is that, Chair?
It's between the two. It is overspending on administration expenses.
This one? Yes. Okay, here it is, Chair. The Meru County Executive Staff Housing Fund Regulation 2015, Section 18(1)(b) states that the fund administrator shall utilize the interests accruing thereto to defray operating expenses and may impose any reasonable restrictions or other requirements concerning such use. Therefore, the fund was within the spending limit. And again, I request that we check together the Annex 3, copy of the Meru County Executive Staff Housing Fund, Regulation 2015.
Auditor, please, can you make a comment there?
Thank you, Chair. Their regulation is in contradiction with the main regulation, that is Regulation 197, Sub-Regulation 1D of the PFM County Government Regulations, which states that the establishment of a county public fund shall at the minimum meet the following requirement. The administration cost of the fund shall be a maximum of 3% of the approved budget of the fund. We stand guided, since our learned fellows are here, the legal department. Probably they can shed more light on this, because their regulation, the county regulation of Meru, is in contradiction with the overall regulations of the county government and the PFM Act. Thank you, Chair.
Legal Counsel.
Thank you, Chair. With your permission, and that is Section 6 of the Public Finance Management Act. That is on the acts to prevail in certain matters. And you allow me to read with your kind permission. The PFM shall prevail in the case of any inconsistency between this act and any other legislation. On the following matters, there are quite a number of matters, and be the one of interest to the committee is a paragraph on establishment. So these PFM and the regulations that have been read by the Auditor General should be the one that supersede the one done by the county government. Thank you, Chair. If there is any inconsistency.
Governor, you've...
Well guided, Chair. These officer on my right has been there since the inception of devolution and in the same department. So, Mr. Mwenda, you can tell us how. It came about.
Thank you, Chair. It is true, but Chair, also in addition to our regulation enacted by the County Assembly, there was a circular number 122